In this video, I'll show you what to do when you get a new laptop, which might not be new, even if it's used or someone else's laptop, especially if it's someone else's laptop that someone else can't control it. There is a way to make sure the camera is not watching you when you don't want it to watch you. And even if there is a camera light on it, most laptops these days have a front camera and even microphones here. There might be microphones somewhere else, but this is not really about the microphones, but about the camera itself. This camera could be watching you and you wouldn't even know. For example, you see that's the camera. I'm watching the camera watching me, but this is not used commonly. This laptop, I don't use it often, but I want to show you that you should really do a privacy thing here. And when you buy a laptop, you should really look for a laptop that has a privacy cover here where you can close the camera, but this one doesn't have it. So what I like to do, I like to get a bit of tape. This is Gaffer's tape, but you can use electrical tape, black electrical tape, or depending on the edge here, the bezels of the laptop, the tape should be in the same color so it doesn't disturb you when you do this. Okay, so take the tape and open a little bit, not too much, just enough to cover for the camera area. The gaffer tape is useful because it can really take a lot of pressure and it will not tear very easily, and also it will not leave residue behind, supposedly, but the electrical tape will leave some residue behind. And let's see, use scissors or a blade. Ideally you should use scissors. So let's see, where's the scissors here? Blade. So the scissors, we get the scissors here. This is the Victorinox Farmer X, and I take the duct tape. This is Gaffer's tape. I will look to make it the same size as the bezel, actually the same size as this area, so it doesn't have to be very thick. I will make it very thin. I want the minimum tape there. Okay, so the tape is here. Close the tape. And now the most important thing to do with the laptop. If you have a new laptop and it doesn't have the privacy cover, and you see the camera is there, that little thing there, and I think these are microphones, but this could also be light sensors, so you have to, I think these are microphones here, but actually it could be one microphone and one light sensor. This is just some dirt here. So that's one microphone, one hole for a microphone, and this probably I covered it by mistake, or it's a light sensor, or it could be the indicator LED for the camera when the camera is on. But I don't really like to trust these indicator LEDs because I'm sure there is always a way to turn the camera on without turning on the LED. So you have in this case there's one hole here which is probably a microphone, the camera, and the indicator LED that the camera is on. So I could actually give it a try. Let's give it a quick try. I could start the camera up and it should start. Okay. So it is an indicator LED and you can see me now with this ridiculous hat. That's me. Hello. You see, that's how I talk in the microphone, in the electrical wire. And you have there, so you can see me there, and it's coming from here. Okay. So you can't see me. This is the light, this is the indicator light, and then is the microphone. I don't know for sure if it's really a microphone. I don't really know for sure if that is a microphone. Not there. This is just a bit of dirt. This is a really old laptop and it's a bit, this rubber is falling apart here, but it still works. So I will use the duct tape. This is the trick here. You cut the duct tape or gaffer's tape. The gaffer's tape is nice that it will not leave residue too much behind. And there it goes. It doesn't look very pretty, right? But actually now all you see here is the reflection from the screen and me. Don't forget to clean the scissors a little bit and close them for the next time. So now you see a little bit of the reflection here, but in the camera of the laptop all you can see is this dark image, and you see a bit of light changing when I move my finger over it. So you can put even more tape. You can put 2 layers of tape if you wanted to, but this is plenty. This is good enough. Thanks for watching. Privacy for the laptop. When you buy a laptop, it's better to look for one that has a privacy cover where you can slide it, physical, where you can see it off, not electronic, not something digital. Thanks for watching. That's all. I didn't tape the light because I wanted to see when some app is trying to use the camera, but you can actually tape the light completely here. And if you're worried, if you're thinking about microphones also, there could be microphones all over the keyboard, somewhere on the front side of on the laptop. There's always a chance for a microphone, but the most important is to cover the camera. Thanks for watching.